Hey, it's Cassandra with Prince George Ford. We're here at the Pre-Owned Supercenter, and today we're having a look at this beautiful 2014 Ford F-150. This is in the XLT trim, in the race red color, very eye-catching color. You've got the XTR package on here, so you're getting some chrome aluminum wheels there. You got the chrome step bars there for easy access to your cab, chrome handles. Really nice chrome detailing around the tail lights there. Now this truck does qualify for a Ford Certified Pre-Owned program. So that gets you a guarantee that the vehicle's never been in an accident, as well as some other really great incentives. I highly suggest calling in, talking to one of our product specialists about what that can get for you. Like I said, this is powered by the 3.7 V-6 Ecoboost. So lots of towing and hauling capabilities. You've got a Super Cruise, so you've got a ton of legroom here for your passengers. You have a 60/40 folding split bench, so you throw that up, and you've got a ton of flexible flat storage there, as well as a little bit of storage under your seats. Coming to the front of the pickup, you do have the keyless entry keypad, so you get a unique 5-digit pin to your vehicle. You can use this to both lock and unlock the vehicle without having to utilize keys. You've got power locks, power mirrors, power windows. Great door storage as always in the F-150s. Now you have a combination of power and manual adjusting seats up front here. And of course, as you saw in the back, same up front, this cloth, great cloth upholstery, very durable, easy to care for, not going to show stains. Now right now I've got your middle console set up, so you've got optional 3-person bench seating up here, but that does flip down. I'll show you in a moment, giving you access to cup holders as well as a little bit of a center console for storage. But if you've got it up, you still have storage underneath your middle bench seat here, and then you have cup holders that slide out by the floor there. So having a look at our dash here, you can see this unit is sitting at 113,606 kilometers. You've got this really great dash display up here, which is going to show you all sorts of different things, your fuel economy, different truck apps for off-road status, trailer status. So very informative, easy to use navigation. That's all controlled by these buttons here, and then you have cruise control just below that. On the right hand side of the steering wheel, you have infotainment and Bluetooth controls. Over to your infotainment system, nice little screen here showing you your different options. If you throw it in reverse, that's your backup camera with your guidelines. You've got AM, FM radio, CDs, Sirius with subscription, auxiliary connections, Bluetooth connections. However you have entertainment, you're going to be able to access it through this truck. And then you've got a really nice simple layout for all your controls for that, as well as your HVAC system. And then just down here you've got your USB auxiliary line in and a 12-volt power source. 4x4 options on the turn dial, as well as a trailer brake controller, and then another 12-volt power source on that side of the dash. Center console, I flipped the seat down so you see some good storage in there, as well as some cup holders. So no matter which way you utilize the truck, its form meets its function. So if you'd like to take this beautiful race red truck for a test drive, give us a call, 250-563-8111, or pop by and visit us, and let's see what we can get you into today. Thanks for watching.